Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone BIOS firmware update required. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open Steam. Once it opens, you want to go to the library, find the Call of Duty. You want to right click on it, click Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. And once you're in here, you want to scroll till you find COD Broker Installer. And you will right click on it and click Properties and go to Compatibility and make sure they tick to run this program as an admin, and then click Apply. Okay. And then now if that doesn't help fix your issue, what you can do is go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in MS Info 32, and once you're in here, you want to look for here baseboard product, and you want to copy this. For me, it's B450. And now you want to open a new Chrome tab, go to YouTube and copy what it says there. So for me, B450, type in secure boot, and now I'll show you my video on it, but you can like look for whatever it says for your motherboard, how to enable it.
What you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work. Yeah, that's it.
And after you have updated the secure boot, don't restart your PC just yet. Also look for the same motherboard, but look here, type in TPM 2.0, and you want to also enable this in your BIOS. Now I'll show you again my video for my motherboard, but obviously you'll look what is required for your motherboard and your BIOS version, etc. So here's the video.
Hi guys, this is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC, and then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to Security tab, click on Trusted Computing, and then Security Device Support, enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to Save, click on Save Changes and Reboot, and that's it. That's how you enable TPM 2.0.
And after you have enabled both TPM 2.0 and secure boot for your motherboard, your Call of Duty should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Call of Duty Warzone BIOS firmware updates required. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.